That is the entrance to the Brasserie restaurant. As you can see, belongs to the yacht club. So we will go and collect a table. I'm here on my own. We came last night. Too much food for Teresa, so I'm going for it on my own. I'll film what I can. I can't film everything. Hi, Keithville 15004.
Perfect.
Just me.
Just you?
It was too much for the wife last night, so I said, well, I'm going to have another go.
It's great you come back. This table is fine?
That is superb. That's lovely there. That's all right. I'll just take a picture of outside here. That is lovely. Wow.